वयर गेल्लो इल्लो इल्लो कन्नड उलयला आतां this government was formed with MLAs being salp. Secondly, this treasury of this finance department has salp funds. Secondly, जे सेशन जाता असेंब्लीचे ते सल्प जाता. जे आन्सरां आमकां एलेक्यून दिता इनकम्प्लीट आन्सर ते सल्प मेळटा. आज गोंयचे जे विजन एंगल आहा ते सल्प आसा. लास्ट आमी सल्प ऑपोजिशन आमदार उलय 7 आहे पूण आमकां विश्वास आहा की 7य आमदार there will be maximum performance, minimum opposition, maximum performance. This government wants to make Goa Swayambhurna in drugs, in crimes, accidents, oita thinga, corruption, prostitution. This is said by their own ministers. And we have basically ये सरकाराकडे काय अपेक्षा ना कित्याक बारीकशे एक झलक तुमकां दिता. जे आज इव्हेंट आणि जीएडी जे स्पेंड करता जोड 50 crore on event and publicity. So this is just a jhalak. There are several issues relating to unemployment, relating to several other problems. We will raise all these issues in this upcoming assembly session.
तुमका मागीर ते सल्प आन्सर दिले जाल्यार
त्याचे आम्हाला काढ्या आम्हाला सल्प Definitely we will support whatever is in the right of Goa and Goans. We have to support and we will definitely support that. Let us see, let it come.
Okay.